Right, this is a little review on a skyrc speed meter. This is the gsm-015. Comes in a nice little package. So this will do top speed, average speed and top altitude. Uses GPS. I bought this just to see how fast my RC cars will go. This is just a little unboxing video. Let's open it up. Right, so we've got the instructions, which are in English, which is always handy. Tells you your different modes: time, current speed, peak speed, average speed, altitude, peak altitude, trip. And it even tells you your coordinates as well, latitude and longitude coordinates. Put them over there. Right, so here we have, it comes with charging cable. Nice length on it, which is always good. And here we have the speed meter itself. Nice little package. That's where you charge it from. That's so you can provide 6 volts from a servo. I'm guessing that's if you don't charge it up for whatever reason. So it's got 3 buttons on it. The on button's on the side. Mode and enter on top. Nice and light as well. Let's turn it on. Right. So the speed is already set in miles an hour, but you can change it to kilometers an hour. I have charged it up just so it would turn on for the purpose of this video. So we've got speed, peak speed, average speed, and that's altitude. So what it does is when you first turn it on, it normally spends the first 30 seconds looking for a satellite to refer to, which is why it's not coming up with any altitude at the minute. That's your trip. But what we will do is we will take it out, we'll compare it to a car and see roughly what sort of, whether it's sort of accurate or not. And then we'll put it on a car and give it a go. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So you've got the battery at the top. There you go, it's looking for a satellite. It looks like it's found one. See in the top left corner, it's got a little satellite there. So very shortly we'll take it out and see what it can do. Turns it off. Right, we're just gonna try out this little speed tracker, skyrc, and we'll see what it reads. Right, so it's found a satellite. We shall see what it compares. I imagine the GPS tracker will be more accurate than the speedo in my car. So we're doing 30 miles an hour, and that is reading about 28 miles an hour, which is probably about right. The car speedo is normally set a bit higher than it should be. Reads higher than you're actually going. So yeah, 30 mile an hour is about 28, 29 mile an hour on the GPS. So I think that is pretty accurate. Right, just a little video. So I have put some sticky back Velcro on the back of the GPS, and I've also put some on one of the cars, or both of the cars. So my Firestorm, I put it on the battery tray. So we'll sit on there, lovely, just like that. Also it'll push on there and stay there. So it's nice and out of the way. And on my electric buggy, I've put it there. So it'll sit very nicely, tucked out the way there. I know some people put them on the outside of the shells, but easier to get lost, I think, that way. So at least if it's sort of under the shell, it's out of the way and protected a bit. So overall, guys, really impressed with that little GPS tracker. It wasn't a huge amount of money. I think for the price of it, I think it's good value. Seems to be very accurate, nice, small, lightweight. So overall, I'd highly recommend it. I haven't tried it out on the cars yet, but it worked in my real car, so I can't see it being an issue. I say a bit of sticky back Velcro on the back makes it transferable. If you've got a few cars you want to switch it between. But yeah, overall very impressed. So I can only highly recommend it. They're not paying me to say that, so that's just my personal view on it. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. It'd be very much appreciated, and let me know if there's any videos you want to see. Might be able to do some more reviews, maybe on other cars. Let me know what you want to see and we'll see what we can do. Thank you very much.